Welcome back, data enthusiasts. In part 1, we covered the basics of Pandas, learning how to create, filter, and sort data using data frames. Now we're stepping up the game. Today we'll explore more advanced techniques like merging, pivoting, and reshaping your data. These are key skills to master for efficient data manipulation. Ready to unlock more Pandas magic? Let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with merging and joining. Imagine you're working on two separate datasets, one with customer details and another with their purchase history. You need to combine them. That's where merging comes into play. In this example, we merged two data frames based on the customer_ed column. The inner join only includes customers who made purchases, so no data for Charlie, as he didn't buy anything yet. You can switch to other join types like left, right, or outer depending on your needs. Next up, let's talk about pivot tables. You've probably seen these in Excel, right? They allow you to summarize large datasets and find patterns quickly. Well, Pandas has a built-in function that's just as powerful. Here we used a pivot table to summarize sales data by category and region. Now we can see how different product categories are performing across different regions at a glance. Pivot tables are amazing for quick insights like this. Let's now move on to time series data. If you're analyzing data over time like sales trends or website traffic, Pandas can handle that with ease. You'll often work with date ranges, and Pandas has powerful tools to manipulate them. In this example, we created a simple time series showing daily sales. The date_range function allows you to create a range of dates, and by setting the date column as the index, we're ready to perform time-based analysis. Sometimes your data might not be in the format you need. You'll often need to reshape it. This is where melt and pivot come into play. Let's start with melt, perfect for converting wide data into a longer, more flexible format. Using melt, we transformed our pivot table into a longer format. It's handy when you want to analyze your data without it being locked in a wide table. Pivot, on the other hand, does the reverse, turning long data into a pivot-style format. And just like that, we use pivot to reshape the data back to its original format. Mastering these reshaping techniques can save you loads of time when working with complex datasets. Before we wrap up, let's touch on advanced indexing. You've learned basic indexing, but when you're dealing with multi-level data, multi-indexing can help you structure your data frames better. In this example, we created a multi-index data frame with both region and category as hierarchical indices. This is especially useful when you need to manage complex datasets with multiple layers of information.
Before we wrap up, if you're eager to master more Python skills, check out the Knowledge Academy's e-learning platform. We offer interactive courses, practical projects, and real-time progress tracking, all at your fingertips. Join our community of learners and get started with courses tailored to your needs. Sign up today and unlock your potential.
That's a wrap on data manipulation with Pandas, Part 2. We've covered advanced techniques like merging, pivot tables, time series analysis, and reshaping data. These skills will take your data manipulation to the next level. If you're excited to learn more, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive.